Hello everyone and welcome to project 3 of CS50 Web Mail. The first feature we're asked to show is the send mail feature. So as you can see here, this is my main account. I have only two mails. I will log out and log in from my second account and I will send myself an email. So we go to the compose and that's the subject, say important. And we have created the email. Now we click on submit and we have been redirected to our sent mails. If you click on the mail, you can see the mail that we have just sent. The second feature we're asked to implement is the inbox or show the inbox feature. So uh, as you can see here, we have just received the mail that we sent. It is colored in gray because it is unread yet, but if we click on the mail and we view it, this is the mail we just sent and it has been uncolored. The third feature we're asked to implement is the view mail, and as you can see, when we click on the email, we can see the sender, the receiver, the subject, timestamp, and the body of the email. The fourth feature we're asked to implement is the ability to archive or unarchive a mail. So if I click on archive, I've been redirected to inbox and the mail has already been archived. So if I go to my archive, and as you can see here, this is the mail we just archived, and here I can unarchive it back and it has just disappeared from my archive. The fifth and last feature we're asked to implement is the ability to reply to a certain mail. So if I click on reply, as you can see, the receiver has been filled automatically. So is the subject and the body, and we can write anything. And as you can see here, this is the reply to the mail with the formatted or with the format that is requested. That's it. I hope you like it, and thank you so much.